so in this lesson, you will be able to identify the difference between a prime and composite number. Okay, maybe. Okay, so the end of our last lesson had this factor rainbow, okay? And you were to find the factors of 19. And remember, there was just 1 in 19. And remember, I said, what is that called? That is called a prime number. Okay, prime numbers only have 2 factors. They have 1 and itself. Okay, so the number 5, if you were to do the factor rainbow, all you could come up with would be 1 and 5 because it's not even, and 3 and 4 don't go into it. So our factors would be 1 and 5, and it is a prime number. 23, same thing. If you go through your divisibility rules, it's an odd number, so 2 won't go into it. If you add 2 plus 3, that's 5. 3 won't go into it. 4, 5, 6, all these numbers won't because it's prime. Only 1 and 23. Whoops. So the factors are 1 and 23, 1 in itself. Okay, and I really like this. This is called Optimus Prime. Okay, if you've seen Transformers, and I like it because it just has all these, I just thought this was funny. It has all these prime numbers, 101, 2, 11, 5. Anyway, it's just a cute little image. And all right, let me move me back over. Let's name some prime numbers. Okay, so I'm just going to start naming some and you write them down. So we have the number 2, we have the number 3, 4 is not prime, but 5 is, 6 is even, so it's not prime, 7, 8, is 9 prime? No, because 3 goes into it. 10 can't be prime, 11, 12 is even, 13, 14, 15 is odd, but 5 and 3 go into it, so it's not prime. 17, 19, I'm just going to list a few more. 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 37. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so when you look at this list of prime numbers, what do you notice about these numbers? Does anything stick out to you? Pause the video and write down something you notice or wonder about this video. Or not about this video, but about these prime numbers. About these prime numbers. What do you notice or wonder? So pause it and then we'll come back and talk about it. I'm going to change my color here. Here we go. I want something different. There we go. Okay, so what did you guys notice? Did you guys notice that there was only 1 even number? Okay, 2 is the only even prime number. Now, it's okay if this isn't what you had written down. Go ahead and write it down. Okay, what else do you notice? All the rest are odd, but not every odd number is prime. Okay, well, do you think there's a reason 1 and 0 are not on here? Okay, well, there is, because 0 and 1, that's an and sign. That means and. 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite, which we'll talk about here in a minute. Okay, and whatever else you had written down. Okay. All right, composite numbers. Composite numbers are all the others. They have more than 2 factors. They have more than 2 factors. Okay, so the number 9. You notice I picked an odd one. Okay, the number 9. I can't see my cursor sometimes. So the factors are 1. If we did a rainbow, it'd be 1 and 9. And then 3 and 3. So 1, 3, and 9 are factors. Okay, 27. Notice I picked another odd one, so you don't think all odd numbers are prime. So 1 and 27. 2 won't go into it, but 3 will. 3 times 9 is 27. So this is a similar one. And we'd have to go through 4, 5, and 6 to make sure, but I just happen to know. 1, 3, 9, and 27 are all factors, so that means this is a composite number. Okay, and then here's my little cartoon, the prime suspects. All right, have a great day.